eish engakusho nje ngathi Dudu emndenini. Ngithi Dudu balandeli, ngithi Dudu kuthina as artists, ngithi Dudu embonini yonke yomculo. Sicebi was a superstar, was one of the great artists that we needed to celebrate even more, but he didn't give us any chance to do so because he just left so early. So I don't know what I can say at this stage, but sengathi umzimba wakhe ungabekwa ngendlela ehloniphekile, umoya wakhe ulala ngokuthula.
Mhlawumbe, how much of a big loss is this to the Maskandi industry? Ukudlula emhlabeni kwaSicebi kuzozwakala kangakanani ngokubona kwenu njengabafowabo kule industry?
What I can say is that Maskandi will never be the same like before. Angiboni ngisho isithombe ukuthi uzoma kanjani uMaskandi without Sicebi, because now besazi ukuthi makuzoba uDecember mina bengijwayele ukurelease namhlanje Sicebi release ngakusasa. So asazi njengamanje ukuthi uDecember njengoba siyakona ubani ozocula lezi ngoma lezo beyishaya kakhulukazi ubeyithanda kakhulu ingoma zothando. So kuzoba nesikhala esikhulu kakhulu, and I don't think ukuthi there is someone who can replace Sicebi music wakhe ngalendlela obewukhande ngakhona. Ngithi nje angazi Maskandi uzoba njani mako nje silimele lokho angempela, silimele ukuya kwi show without Sicebi. No one will accept that feeling, yeah.